Welcome students. In our Ganit Manjari, third chapter is the world of numbers. In this video, we're going to see exercise 3.1 and 3.2. First 3.1, first sum is a merchant in a city, in a port city of Lothal is exchanging bags of spices for copper ingot. You know that what is copper ingot? Copper ingot is nothing but a solid piece of copper. This type of exchanging a bag of spices for copper ingot. This is called pandamaatru murai. Ancient time they were have this type of exchanges. Instead of giving money, what they will do, what the thing they are having, what the production they are having, they will give that thing to some other person, and what they are having equivalent to that they will buy. Like that they will do the business, that type of business called pandamaatru murai. So here a merchant, what he is doing, bags of spices he is getting copper ingot. Okay, he receives 15 ingots for every 2 bags. If you are giving 2 bags, he will receive 15 ingots. Another 2 bags, another 15 ingots. Like that. If he brings 12 bags of spices to the market, how many copper ingot will he have with? So what is given? That is the information given: 2 bags of spices, he can get 15 ingots, which means 1 bag of spices, he can get 15 by half of that ingot. Okay, so when many to 1, we need to divide. 1 to many, we need to multiply. Now you need to find 12 bags. Now for 12 bags of spices, how many ingots he can get? So what is the previous one? Into 12. So this many ingots, when you are cancelling 2 and 12, you will be getting 6. 15 into 6 is nothing but 90. So 90 ingots he will get for 12 bags. 12 bags of, if suppose he is giving 12 bags of spices, he can get 90 ingots. In another way, we can do this like this. You can divide your 12 into 1 minute. Another way of doing this, you know, 2 bags is equal to 15 ingots. In 12 bags, how many sets of 2 bags are there? That is 12 divided by 2 is equal to 16 sets of 16 2 bags are there. 6 2 bags are there. So 6 into 15 is equal to 90 ingots. Like this also you can do 2 methods. Okay, this is alter method. Either you can do like that or like this. Okay, we'll see the next question. Look at the sequence of numbers on a column of the Ishango bone 11, 13, 17, 19. What is this Ishango bone? This is a Asian type of mathematical calculation. Okay, that is Ishango bone. They are having the sequence 11, 13, 17 and 19. What do these numbers have in common? So what is common here? Look at the sequence. Either we need to add anything with the first number. Can we get second or third? what is the difference between first two number? 13 minus 11 is 2, 17 minus 13 is 4, 19 minus 17 is 2. So there is no common addition number here. There is no common multiplication number also. But look at the factors. You know factors. What are the factors for 11? 11, the factor is 1. 1 into 11, only 11. You cannot get any other number. 13. Again, 1 into 13, only 13. No other numbers will give 13 as product. So 17, 1 into 17. For 19 also, 1 into 19. So this is the common thing for the four numbers are having. Only two, they are having only two factors. All the four numbers are having only two numbers each. What are the two numbers? 1 and the number itself. So the numbers are having factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. So these numbers 11, 13, 17, 19 are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. So you must know the prime numbers, that is 1 to 100, at least 1 to 100 prime numbers you must know. So the next prime number is 23 and the next prime number is 29 and next is 31, then 37, like that numbers are there. They are asking, look at this, list the next three numbers. So next three prime numbers are these. Like this you can continue the pattern, only the prime numbers. Let's see the next question. We know that natural numbers are closed under addition. Closed means what? They gave the explanation in the question itself. The sum of any two natural number is always a natural number. For example, I am going to take a natural, natural number. N is equal to, this is set of all natural numbers. You studied everything in your lower classes, etc., etc., etc. Natural number. Suppose I am going to add two natural number. 7 plus 2. I will be getting 9. Suppose 12 plus 83. I will be getting 95. Okay. And 1 plus 10, 11. So whatever it may be, this is a natural number, this is a natural number, addition, the resulting number also natural number. So when two numbers are added, this is the mathematical operator. When we are operating this with the mathematical operator, again we are getting a natural number. So addition is closed under, addition is closed in natural number. Addition is closed. Okay, natural numbers are closed under addition. Okay, closed under addition. Which one? Natural numbers. Now you need to check whether the natural numbers are closed under subtraction or not. So I take the same example. Now suppose I am subtracting 7 minus 2. I will be getting answer 5. So 7 is a natural, 2 is a natural, 5 is a natural. Here operating system is nothing but subtraction. When I am subtracting, I am getting a natural number. Look at the second example. 12 minus 83. What will be the answer? 12 is the smaller number than 83. So when we are subtracting, we will be getting 1 and 7. 71. What 71 minus 71? You know very well. So 12 is a natural number, 83 is a natural number. When we are operating this with subtraction, we are getting a negative integer. So this is not a natural number. Integer, not a natural number. In our natural number system, no negative numbers. Let's see the next example. 1 minus 10, you will be getting minus 9. This is also not a natural number. So, when we are subtracting smaller number from the greater number, you can get a natural number, or else we can say that is positive integer when we are subtracting a greater number from a smaller number, we are getting negative natural number. So, what is the conclusion here? Natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. Okay, they are closed under addition, they are not closed under subtraction. Look at the next question, fourth one. Ancient Indian used the joints of the joints of their finger to count a practice still seen today. You open your palm and see your 5 fingers. Except your thumb finger, all the 5 fingers, you are having 3 parts. Look at here, each finger has 3 joints. You can see 3 joints in your fingers, and thumb is used to count them. So, except the thumb, all other 4 fingers are having 3 joints. How many can you count on one hand? How many in one finger? In one finger, 3 joint. Okay, so 4 fingers. In 4 fingers, 3 into 4, how many joints? 3 into 4 joints, nothing but 12 joints. Okay. How can you count on one hand? So, using our thumb, we can count the joints using our fingers. How does this relates to the ancient base 12 count system? So, what is ancient base 12 count system means? Let's see that one. Ancient base 12. Okay, ancient base 10 and 10 is there, like that 12 also. Now, for 0 to 9 numbers, as it is, we going to take. For instead of 10, we going to indicate that is T. Instead of 11, the indication is E. So, suppose I going to take a 2-digit number. Say, what is the 2? Say 37. We're going to see how many 12s are there in 37. Okay, we can use the L division. 37, 12. When we are dividing 12, 3 times 36 and remaining 1. So, in based on 12 ancient base system, you have to write this and this. That is 3, 1, base 12, which means in this place no 12, and in this place 112, 12 to the power 1 is there. Then that should be multiplied with the number, given number. This is 1 and this is 3. So, anything power 1 is 0, into 1 is 1. Then 12 into 3, 36. When we are adding 37. So, how many 12s are there means, look at here, 3 12s are there. In 37, 3 12s are there in 37. For example, say, take a 3-digit number, 247, 247. So, how many 3-digit, take your L division? 247. They know 247. I'll take 247 also, you can take. I'll take 257. Okay, then only easily you can 257. So 12, 2 times 24, remaining 1. then 1 times 12 remaining 5. Okay, now one more division you can made, then 12 1 time 12, then remaining 9. So how to write in ancient method? 1 9 5 base 12, which means in this place no 12, in this place 1 12, in this place 12 power 2. You have to raise the power. Okay, first place 0 12, second place 12 to the power 1, third place 12 to the power 2. So here, then after the multiplication, finding power, you need to multiply the number present over there. And so what is that? Anything power 0 is 1, then 1 into 5 appeared there, so 5. Then next 12, 12 power 1 is 12 into 9, which means 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 108. This is 12 power 144 into 1 is nothing but 144. When you are add and check whether you are getting a original number or not, yeah, you're getting original number. Now how to calculate how many 12s are there? Look at here, 12 squared means 12 12s are there. 12 squared, 12 12s are there. Okay, then here the 12 12s are there. How many time? One time. So 12 12s are there. And here 12, only 1 12. How many times? 9 times. So here 12 times 12 appeared and 9 times 12 appeared. So totally how many times? 21 times 12 appeared. So you can multiply and check 21 into 12, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 5, 2, 252. So the number, last number is the remainder number, this one. No 12s, that's why that is the remainder. So 21 into 12 plus 7 gives 195. So in 195, there are 21 12s appeared there. In 191, 21 12s are there. Like that you can check for 4-digit number also. You can check this. I'll give a 4-digit number. So 2146 is a 4-digit number. When you are finding the long division, you will be getting 178. The remainder is 10 and 12. 12 means 14 times. Once again, the remainder is 10. 10, you no need to write a number. You have to indicate that as t. Then 1 time remainder 2. So when you are writing this in base method, 1, 2, t, 12. Which means here no 12. Here 12 power 1. Here 12 power 2, here 12 power 3. So 12 power 3 means 144 12s are there. 12 power 3, 144 12s. 12 squared means 24. Look at the number here. This should be multiplied with 10. Okay, this number. And the next digit multiplied with 10. Not this. First here this one, then 12 power 1 again multiplied with 10, then 2. This should be multiplied with 2. Then the fourth digit multiplied with 1, which means 12 cube 1. One time means 12 cube is nothing but 1. For 12 cube we can write 144 into 12. So 144 times 12 there, and multiply this also 1 time. Then 12 squared is 12 appeared 12 times and 2 times, that is. So 24 times. Here 12 appeared 10 times. So 10. Add this 8, 6 plus 1, 7. So 178 times 12 appeared in 2146. In this, 178 12s are there. So 178 plus 12 plus the remainder. This is the remainder. 10 means you will be getting the original number 2146. This is ancient base 12 method. Okay. So use like this we are calculating in our finger also. Look at the next exercise. 3.2. The temperature in a high altitude desert of Ladakh is recorded as 4 degrees Celsius at noon. By midnight, it dropped by 15 degrees Celsius. What is the midnight temperature? So, what is given? Desert temperature, the initial temperature. We will take initial temperature is equal to 4 degree Celsius. And what is given? Dropped temperature drops by 15 degrees Celsius. So, the midnight temperature is nothing but dropped means you need to subtract 15 degrees Celsius is nothing but minus 11 degrees Celsius. Increase means you need to add, drops means you have to subtract. And second question, a spice trader takes a loan for rupees 850. The next day he makes a profit, that is fortune, of rupees 1200. The following week he incurs a loss of rupees 450. Write this sequence as an equation using integers and calculate his final financial standing. That means first loan, which is debt. Debt means we need to subtract minus rupees 850. The second stage he is getting, the next day he is getting profit. Profit means addition, rupees, that is fortune. Fortune means addition. Then the next day loss. Loss also debt. So subtraction, rupees 450. When we are forming a sequence, you will be getting minus 850 plus 1200 minus 450 gives. Subtract these two. When you are subtracting 850 from 1200, you will be getting 350. The greater number is 1200, which has positive sign. So, plus 350 minus 450 gives 100. The greater number is 450, has negative sign. So, minus 100. So, what is the answer? 100 as debt. So, finally he got 100 rupees, 100 as debt. Calculate the following Brahmagupta laws. What is Brahmagupta law? That is fortune is plus. Fortune means we need to add, and debt means we need to subtract. So, what is the addition rule? Plus, when we are adding plus to fortune, we will get in fortune. When we are adding negative and negative, we will be getting negative. Debt plus debt gives debt, and fortune plus debt will give debt. Then fortune plus debt accordingly, which is greater, okay, the greater amount with the respective sign. Okay, you know the rule, no? It is what is fortune? Fortune is plus and debt means minus. What is the rule? A positive integer added with the positive, you will be getting positive integer. A negative integer added with negative will be negative integer. A positive added with the negative or negative added with the positive, for both we will be getting, we have to subtract and give greater number sign. Greater number sign. Multiplication law, fortune into fortune will give fortune. Debt into debt gives what? Minus into minus, once again plus. And fortune into debt or debt into fortune, both will give debt only. Okay, using this find 12 into minus, minus into plus will give minus 12 5s are 60, and minus into minus gives plus 8 7s are 56. Then look at here, minus into minus is plus, remove the bracket, 0 plus 14. So 0 plus anything is same. Now negative division, 20 negative is divided by plus 4. Minus divided by plus is minus, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Explain using the real world example of debt why subtracting a negative number is same as adding the positive number. For example, when we are say 10, when we are subtracting minus 7 from 10, minus into minus will become plus, so the value will increase. Say in real life, you are having savings rupees 500. Suppose the debt is there rupees say 50 rupees. Okay, debt. Now you're going to remove the debt from the savings. You need to remove the debt from the savings. Means after that, what will be the amount? That is 500, removing the debt amount. When we are removing the debt amount, our amount will increases. So now we will have the amount 550. Thank you.